What is going on, guys? And today we'll be changing the control arm on the Subaru Outback 2010. So tune in. First you're gonna have to take off the wheel, and then later you'll jack the car up and then work on it from there. What we're gonna do is go to the driver's side, and there's a button right here, and you can get the brakes to engage, so when you lift the car up, it's just in a safer mode and it won't slide on you. I know some of the angles weren't really visible from looking at it in the video, although here is the tools that you will need in order to make this possible. So this is the old part. Of course we got the new part in, and it was very easy and possible with that and how we did that. So you're going to need a crowbar, a smaller crowbar or a nail puller, an extension bar so you can tie in or loosen bolts, a flathead so you can guide some of the holes together, a 14mm and a 17mm socket and wrench, impact extensions if you're using impact. If you're not, you'll probably be using just the sockets on the air impact, a scissor jack so you can lift it up from this point and then get it to a line in the back, some grease for the back ball, and of course the lugness so you can put them back, a hammer in case you need to hit something, and of course a ratchet. So my dad is totally helping me out with this. Here we go. And then for the jack, you can totally prop it up on the chassis, either the inside one or this little outer lip. So since I have a jack that doesn't, oh, it actually does reach. Okay, we'll do that right here. Sometimes you gotta kick it because of the rust. No problem. Okay. Just to be safe, we will be putting the tire under the car. You can totally use a jack stand or something along those lines, but it's okay. It won't hurt if the tire breaks. It's for your safety, but I don't have jack stands at this moment. Alright guys, so as you can see, this little ball joint right here, the grommet around it is all like pretty much gone, and then every time you hit the gas it will go back and forth, and it has a lot of movement in it, which is not very stable for the vehicle, of course. And that's what we're gonna change. And you can see on the new one, look how it is. It's a lot like cleaner, as you can see. It's not disintegrated. So that's the next step. It's a 19 millimeter, so that's what we're going to be using in a second. And for this one, it's a 17. So that's a 17 and that's a 19. Socket, I don't know. So
okay guys, so on this part there's a clamp, that's the ball joint, there's a clamp on it, and this clamp is right here, so we're going to take that off on it. Ball joint, huh? And it is a 14mm.
Alright guys, so now we got this one left. So guys, we got the old one and the new one. It just came out. As you can see, the ball joint is pretty bad in bad shape over here. And this is the new one. Probably gonna grease this up a little bit and check this one out. So move it. Okay. I'm not very sure what the torque spec is, but we're gonna make it work for this thing. Alright guys, so for this ball joint right here, it's getting hard to put it in. So what we're gonna do is lift the car up with a jack at the bottom, and it should start swerving this part, and as you can see, it won't go in as like that. So alright, let's give it a shot. By the way guys, the size to take off the lug nuts is 19. That'll make it a little bit handy, easier. Thank you for watching once again. You guys have a great day. Peace.